Introducing Foodbox, a box of good food at a good price for a good cause. There is no better way to get quality and convenient meals at a super price while supporting your church and engaging your community. Choose from several menus every month. Each box consists of an assortment of high-quality, brand-name frozen foods, including heat-to-serve options, ready-to-cook meals, and raw foods that you can cook to your taste. Foodbox is offered through your local church. It's packaged by a leading independent wholesale food company. You can be sure that each box contains the same high-quality items you find at your local supermarkets. And without a supermarket middleman, the prices are remarkably affordable. Foodbox is suitable for families of all sizes and incomes, but it's a lot more than that. It's a special way to give back to your church and your community. Don't just enjoy these delicious, convenient meals yourself. Share the blessing with others. You can subscribe, gift, donate to another family or the church, as nothing shares the message of God and church like helping someone in need. Enter your zip code to find a location near you. Click on the church's Foodbox page for this month's menu choices. Make your selection and submit your payment. Payment options include PayPal, credit card, e-checks, and more. Foodbox is delivered one day a month to your local participating church or community center. Just show up, pick up your boxes, and enjoy. It's a great way to connect with the community and be part of something special. Is Foodbox a part of your community yet? If not, ask your pastor to visit ourfoodbox.com to join the Foodbox ministry. There's never been a more economical, convenient, and delicious way to spread your church and community values. We look forward to sharing the blessing of our Foodbox.